Welcome guys. Today I wanted to make a tutorial so I can show you how to use Cinema 4D. So let's get started. I have to start by starting the software right here. I mean the program, sorry. I fail already. No. Okay, let's start the program and I'm gonna show you the basics of Cinema 4D. Okay, as you can see here, you have the basic Cinema 4D tools like rotating. Oh, I had to turn off fraps, sorry. Yeah, I want to unload fraps. Okay, fuck. I'm going to show you the basics. As you can see up here, there's different tools to rotate and move your camera. So let's begin by adding let's create an object. No, we just do text. That's the simplest thing. Text is very easy to do. You click on this, I don't know what it's called, draw freehand spline, and you're gonna go to text here. Let's go and rotate this, as you can see. And then you have to go here. It's gonna do an extrude NURBS. This is basically to make it, 3D. It's not just a flat right now. 3D, like, yeah, you know. Okay, it's gonna add it to, okay, let's see, there you go. You have to make it so the arrow looks like that, downwards. Okay, you get a 3D text, basic, and I'm going to figure out, because I didn't prepare this, I started immediately. Okay, that's the, as you can see, you can turn it together like black and turn it like that, but that's not what we are going to do today, so I'm gonna keep it back to the original state, and that's number 1. There you go. There's something, but I do not realize it till now. There's a thing called extrude NURBS. I had to click it, I failed miserably, and yeah, this is it. You can make it larger like that, in or out, make the text like wider if you want more of a 3D look on it. Very basic. So let's get this one up a bit. Just gonna click on the text and click on this thing here, so you get these arrows. You can move up the text like this. Well, I'm gonna show you a basic thing. If you click Control R, it will render, and you can see how it looks when it will be recorded. It has no material, so let's go to create here. You can load materials. There's different kinds: materials, stonework, walls, wallpaper, wood, and all that. There's studio, sketch, and marker, and all that, like different kind of things. You can make 3D models of stuff in this program, basically. So let's make a new material. Okay, you get the matte material. Double click on it. You can do, if you want to make some effects, the best one is reflection. As you can see, it's not going to be all the brightest, because you want it to be like a object like that. Okay, so if you want like a metalish thingy, it's pretty annoying to do. So let's do a luminance, or whatever it's called. It's gonna make it like not too bright, about that. And we're gonna go to the color. I think this changes, I'm forgetting. Okay, more of a simple metallish iron-y thingy, I don't give a shit. Okay, there's a bunch of stuff you can add, like different kind of things, like fog. I don't know what that's supposed to do. Okay, it makes it like crystal ball bump. I don't remember what that does. I pretty much do not use all of this. Glow, it's a pretty nice one. So let's check it out how it looks with the glow. So let's drag the material either here on the text or right here, and the material is right there. So let's do like this. Click on the screen and click R. Well, some reason it doesn't work, so let's try it in like that. Okay, I've failed there, sorry. Okay, as you can see, it's bright as fuck. So as you can see, yeah, very basic. You can also load materials. One of my favorite materials is visualize materials. Go to metal, and let's see where is it. You can use steel because that's pretty nice. Okay, that's not nice. Okay, let's test it if it's nice. I don't give a shit. Okay, this is how this looks. Yeah, basically some kind of chain looking thing. Whatever. That sucks. I wasn't going to show you that material, so let's go for load material, visualize material, go to metal, and it's gonna show you one of my favorite materials in this program. Oh fuck, I pretty much failed a lot today. I don't know why. Visualize materials, metal, and it's gonna search for chrome here. Chrome is a basic material to give your text some different style. Let's do like this. Well, it's not special if you do not have any lighting, so by the way, I can show you the lighting. Oh fuck, that's a simple light. You just move it right in front of this, like whatever. Just put it down like this. This is a basic light. It's just lighting to every direction, I think. So let's see. I don't remember. I do not use this. I don't know. Control Z. There you go. Now it's in the same position. You have to have a light to light it up so you can see it like that. I recommend doing this. Create, object, and plane. Well, the reason why is you need a background. Or else it's not high quality basically. So let's rotate this like 90%, and you're gonna put it in front of the text. So I'm gonna do a basic animation to show you guys how to animate in Cinema 4D. And then you're gonna do like this. Click on this one. It's the scale tool, short for T. So you can click on the T key, so you can make it very large, but not that fucking large. About this. There you go. Or not, I don't know. Okay, to get the camera in HD, as you can see, there's gray, dark gray corners here. You're gonna go to render settings, and here's the dimensions for the project. For full quality, this is one way to put it. If you want a little bit smaller quality, if you want to upload, for example, video not for like 2 hours, you can do like this, and it's gonna be about a third of the other one. So let's do this because it's more awesome. And as you can see, it's very basic stuff. Yeah. And here you decide which frame they will animate, what you want to render as a movie, but how we'll get to that later. So let's begin with the animations. First of all, you need to have camera. So it's gonna move right in front of the text. It's gonna move over here, zoom in a bit, so it's in the screen. Reason why is because I had to set up the camera. So let's put the camera about here. Click on the this tool here. We use the original camera, and you can just zoom out and you get the camera right there. To get into the camera, you click on this, but when you're in this state, don't do anything. Basically, it's just to preview. Okay, so now we're gonna make the camera's angle, and it's gonna change this to 0. Apply, and maybe this too, I don't know. Yep, okay, now it's entirely straightforward and it's right in the position. Okay, as you can see, zoom in and out. Okay, the next part is to record, or animate as you may call it. Okay, if you have the camera, you can see this key here. So let's do an animation. We're gonna move this, for example. Oh, fail. You have to use the text. Okay, some reason I think it's fucked up. No, it's not. You're gonna use this. Click on the text, and it's gonna drag it, because the text is the text, not the animate 3D part. Okay. So click on the keyframe like that. You get this little keyframe. You can move it about 20 frames. That depends on how fast you want it. And it's gonna move it to the position. As you can see, it's gonna move it in a little bit so it looks like it's, yeah, like that. It's gonna add another keyframe, and then you can go into the camera state, and you can see now it's going to the camera. Whatever. Okay, very basic. I really don't want to do anything advanced. I'm pretty new to Cinema 42, but I started to understand the program. So let's show you another thing. Okay, it's gonna make an animation for the lighting right when it's entering the position. Click on the key. You have to do a different animation for every object, so that's the annoying part. And you can move it right there about let's see, 40 frames, and put a keyframe. You can move these keyframes, so don't worry. Right after the text comes, the lighting will come too. So let's do this. Go into the camera mode here and go back. As you can see, wait a minute. Well, hold on. I'm so fucking annoyed. Oh shit. Edit, undo. I moved the camera. Fuck. Okay. Some reason the light won't animate. I don't know why. Okay, let's go out of the camera view. Maybe that was the camera keyframes. I don't know. Let's see if this works. Pretty usual. No, it does not. Why isn't it working? Okay, remove that. I know why it's not working. Okay, let's remove the both of the keyframes. Go to 20 keyframes. Click on the keyframe button, and you're gonna move it about here. And then you're gonna move. Okay, you're gonna move this first. Sorry about that. And I'm gonna move it to the position which should stop, and add a keyframe. There you go. Now I made it right. Like this. Okay, you can move. Let's see. Go back. You can move this keyframe how long you want, so it's extended. You can see. And after this, you're gonna go to the next keyframe just to move it, and yeah, to get it in position again. And you're gonna add another keyframe. So now the animation will look something like this. Let's go from the beginning. We're gonna change the maximum keyframes need to be changed, because yeah, if the project is just 45 keyframes, you don't have to have 90 keyframes. That's pretty basic, you don't need that. Okay, to change that, you go here and you turn it down to 46, 45. Okay, now I can play this to show you guys. Play. Okay, that's the play. Yeah, basic stuff. It's not basic animation. You can animate any way you want with this keyframe thing. It's very easy, so don't worry, guys. Yeah, that was all from me. I will make more Cinema 40 tutorials if you wish for more. I'm gonna try to study into the program and learn all the stuff, and I hope you respond. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is IBM Media signing out.